Introducing the Yangrui to-go containers, a pack of 55 8-inch plastic hinged clamshell food containers designed for convenience and durability. These containers are perfect for food storage, whether for school or work lunches, meal planning, or leftovers. One of the key features of the Yangrui to-go containers is their durability. They are made with a non-slip stacking design and a strengthened load-bearing structure, ensuring that they can withstand heavy use without breaking. Additionally, these containers are BPA-free, so you can be confident that your meals are safe and free from harmful chemicals. For added cleanliness and hygiene, these containers are packaged with heat-shrinkable film. This ensures that the containers are clean and sanitary before use, giving you peace of mind when storing your food. The Yangrui to-go containers are microwave and freezer safe. Even after heating in the microwave, these containers remain firm and do not soften or emit any peculiar smells. This means that you can enjoy a hot meal without worrying about your food losing its shape or taste. These clamshell food containers are designed for easy switchability. They can hold both hot and cold food, making them versatile for various types of meals. Whether you have snacks, burgers, fries, fruit salad, or any other delicious dish, these containers are perfect for keeping your food fresh and ready to eat. The Yangrui to-go containers are also very practical in their design. They are easy to lift and cover, with smooth edges that won't hurt your hands. Moreover, with a 34 ounces capacity, they are ideal for dining out, restaurant takeout packing, picnic outings, office lunches, and so much more. You can easily store and transport your food with these containers. Thanks to their snap closure mechanism, these containers provide a secure seal, preventing leaks and spills during transport. You can be confident that your food will stay fresh and mess-free, even when you're on the go. In terms of practicality, these containers are freezer-friendly, allowing you to store your meals for longer periods. They also have separation compartments, keeping different types of food fresh and separate. Additionally, the elegant black color adds a stylish touch to your food storage. Please note that these containers are designed for use in the US, and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Overall, the Yangrui to-go containers are a reliable and versatile option for food storage. Their durability, convenience, and practicality make them a great choice for individuals and families alike. Get your pack today and enjoy hassle-free food storage wherever you go.